Good morning, all of you children, and welcome to your English class. Already, I have taken your Google Meet class, but few children could not join that class. So, I am sending this video. You watch it and try to understand different exercises of this lesson. Okay? In previous class, already I have explained the poem, and I hope all of you have learned that. So, let's see different exercises and answers. So see, here are some question answers. First, who do you think your shadow looks like? आपको कैसा लगता है कि आपकी शेडो किसकी तरह दिखती है? माई शेडो, इसका आंसर है, आंसर इज गिवन, माई शेडो लुक्स जस्ट लाइक मी. शेडो मेरी है तो बिल्कुल किसकी तरह लगेगी? मेरी ही तरह लगेगी. माई शेडो looks just like me. Okay? Now see the second question. Why do you think your shadow jumps into bed before you can? ऐसा क्यों सोचते हैं आप कि जब आप बेड में जंप करते हैं तो आपकी शेडो आपसे पहले चली जाती है? My shadow jumps before me because the source of light from behind. My shadow jumps before me because the source of light from behind. जब सोर्स ऑफ लाइट हमारे पीछे होगी तो हमारी शेडो कहाँ बनेगी? हमारे आगे, इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. ओके, सो व्हेन वी जंप इनटू द बेड it comes before me. Okay, now next, what time of the day do you think it is when your shadow is the tallest? Why? Third question, now I'm going to repeat. What time of the day do you think it is when your shadow is the tallest and why? Morning, afternoon, night. आपकी शेडो कब टॉलेस्ट होती है? मॉर्निंग में कि आफ्टरनून में कि नाइट में? टेल मी. इट्स आंसर इज मॉर्निंग. In the morning, our shadow is the tallest. Why? Because in the morning, my shadow is the tallest because the source of the light falls slantingly on me. जो सन रेज होती हैं वो थोड़ा सा तिरछी पड़ती है हमारे ऊपर. So, our shadow is the longest in the morning. Okay? Now, next. Read the lines from the poem and answer the following. Here are two lines. He is very, very like me and from the heels up to the head. इन दोनों लाइनों में आप you have to read these two lines and after reading you have to answer these questions. How does he refers to? Who does he refers to? इस पोयम में ही किसके लिए है? किसके लिए रिफर किया गया है? यस, ही रिफर्स टू किसके लिए है? फॉर शेडो. यहां पर ही किसके लिए है? शेडो के लिए है. ओके, नाउ सेकेंड, हु डज मी रिफर्स टू? अब मी किसके लिए किया गया है? ये मी इन दिस पोयम, मी रिफर्स टू फॉर whom? फॉर द चाइल्ड, है ना? किसके लिए है? मी रिफर्स टू द चाइल्ड, बच्चे के लिए है. एंड वाई आर ही एंड मी अलाइक? वाई आर ही एंड मी अलाइक? माई शेडो एंड मी दोनों एक जैसी क्यों हैं? क्योंकि यू नो, एवरीबडी नोज, शेडो इज द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ अवर, हमारा रिफ्लेक्शन है वो. तो ही इज द शेडो ऑफ मी एंड सो दैट आर अलाइक. ही कौन है? शेडो है. मी आपके लिए, बच्चों के लिए, जिसकी भी है। इस पोयम में पोएट के लिए है, पोएट बोल रहा है ना, इसलिए ही इज द शेडो ऑफ मी एंड सो दे आर अलाइक, सो बोथ आर अलाइक। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, yes, let's talk. Work in pairs and discuss the following. What would you do if? You can discuss with your friends or with your sister and brothers. Okay? What would you do? आप क्या करेंगे? If a dog chases you. ये देखिए, अगर कोई डॉग आपको चेस कर रहा है, आपका पीछा कर रहा है ना? ये सी, द डॉग इज चेजिंग द बॉय, सो व्हाट टू डू? यू शुड रन? नो, you should not run. Okay, so I will not run, instead face the dog and stare at his eyes fixedly. Okay, you can write also, we should not run. Okay, you can write like this also. Now second, you have forgotten your homework copy at home. अगर आप अपनी होमवर्क कॉपी घर में भूल गए हैं तो what you do? What will you do? Yes, tell me. Yeah, I will not tell a lie and would apologize to my teacher and promise to submit in the next day. हम लोगों को झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए, है ना? और सर, मैम से या सर से सॉरी बोल देंगे और बोलेंगे मैम आई विल सबमिट इट टुमारो. ओके, last one, you are alone in a room and the lights go out. अगर आप एक कमरे में अकेले हैं और लाइट चली जाए, then what will you do? Now see, I will stay calm, light a candle and call my parents or my neighbors. हमें चिल्लाना नहीं चाहिए, हमें डरना नहीं चाहिए. We should not afraid. Okay, so I will stay calm, light a candle and call my parents or my neighbors. Now children, some more exercises are there. Just see. Yes, see, these are parts of the hand. Wrist, ये wrist है. Palm, this is palm. Little finger, this is ring finger. This is middle finger. And this is index finger, and this is thumb. These are the different parts of your hand. So let we do some exercises. Here, do the action as given below. Do the action as given below and observe which part of the finger, your hand, is being used. अब आपको ये बताना है कि ये जो डिफरेंट एक्शंस हैं इसके लिए आप कौन सा पार्ट यूज करेंगे. तो पॉइंट एट अ डोर, अगर यू हैव टू पॉइंट एट अ डोर, विच फिंगर यू यूज्ड? पॉइंट एट अ डोर, वी यूज्ड index finger. We used index finger. Second, bounce a ball. Bounce a ball. We use palm. We bounce a ball with our palm. Scratch your chin. Scratch your chin. This one. So we should use our nails or fingers. Okay. Then twist your ear. If you want to twist your ear, then what will you do? Which finger you use? You use index finger and thumb. You will use your index finger and thumb. If you want to comb your hair, comb your hair, then you use your fingers and thumb. Fingers and thumb. If you want to draw with a pencil, then you use thumb, forefinger and middle finger. Okay? If you want to touch a flower, अगर आप फ्लावर को टच करना चाहते हैं फ्लावर को, then you use your index finger. Then you use your index finger. Okay? This is an activity only you do with your friends or with your brother and sister. Okay? The next one. Yes, children, see, here are some fill in the blanks. Okay? You have to choose the word from the bracket, given bracket. Okay? Where is the child? Dash parents have come to school. Words are given whose, who, whose, which. And answer is whose. Answer is whose. Second, I saw many houses. Dash were quite spacious. Three words are given, which, whose, who. So we will write here which. We will write here which. I saw many houses which were quite spacious. Okay. Now next one. Mathematics dash is my favorite subject. Is so interesting. And words are given in the bracket who, which, that. In this question we will write here which. In this fill in the blank we will write which. Okay. The next one. The poem dash you read out is so lovely. Words are given whose, which, that. You have to select one word. The answer will be that. Okay. Now, next, fifth one. I know the street dash he lives on. And words are given whose, that, which. So answer will be that. I know the street that he lives on. Next, I like reading books dash have pictures in it. Words are given that, who, which. Answer will be which. I like reading books which have pictures in it. Okay. And the last one, the old lady dash I met in your house is my neighbor. And words are given whom, that, which. And the answer will be whom. The old lady whom I met in your house is my neighbor. Okay? So you have to write it in your notebook. Okay, beta? I will send it later. Now, last exercise. Yes. Complete this description by answering the questions below. Some questions are given in your book, and after answering that question, you have to write few lines on Mittu and his little dog Shadow. And this is a dog. Its name is Shadow. The name of the dog is Shadow. The name of the dog is Shadow. Because, why its name is Shadow? Because it follows Mittu wherever she goes. जिधर भी मिट्टू जाती है वो उसके पीछे पीछे जाता है. Just like our shadow. So, its name is Shadow. And its color is, she is white. कैसा color है इसका? White. And इसका question आपका क्या था book में? Do you think she is friendly? So, you have to write, yes, she is friendly. So, she is white and looks very friendly. And last question था आपकी book में, what does she likes to eat? So, you write here, she likes to eat bones. Okay? This is the answer. So you have to complete it in your book, write it with your pencil, and then do it in your classwork copy. Okay, children? Learn it, revise it, then I will take your test. Okay, beta? Take care. Bye bye.